Acne Pimple Master Patch Benefits. Skin Benefit. Acne and Pimple, Skin Trouble Treat. Acts as a barrier to bacteria and dirt. Absorbs acne secretion. Blemishes clear cover. Uses. Covers acne part to protect from bacteria and dirt and keeps skin moist and absorbing exudation to reduce the risk of further infection. Description. Clinical skincare. Anti-Acne Clear Patch and Blemish Clear Cover Patch. Acne Pimple Master Patch heals ACE, blemishes and prevents future breakouts quickly. Suggested use. Cleanse the area around acne blemishes and pimples. Select a patch of larger size in the acne blemishes and pimples and adhere the patch to those areas. Do not replace the patch until the size of acne blemishes and pimples get reduced so that patch can absorb the impurities efficiently. Warnings. For external use only. Do not use on damaged or broken skin. When using this product, keep out of eyes. Rinse with water to remove. Keep out of reach of children. If product is swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.